In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quiz on Wix in 2025 step by step. First things first, log into your Wix account and select the website where you want to add your quiz. Once you've located your site, click on Edit Site to open up your Wix editor or Wix Studio, depending on what you're using. This will take you to your site's workspace where you can control every aspect of your website's layout and features. Now that you're inside the editor, it's time to add a form to your page that will serve as the foundation of your quiz. Look to the left sidebar and click on the plus symbol labeled Add Elements. Then navigate to Contact and Forms and select Forms. Here, you have the choice between a blank form or a pre-made template. Once you've made your selection, click Add to Page. Remember, you'll be transforming this form into a quiz by changing the input fields into multiple choice questions. Next, focus on adding your quiz questions. Click on the form to bring up the option Manage Fields. This is where you'll add various types of fields, such as multiple choice for standard answers, drop-downs for single selections, or even short answers for open-ended questions. Go ahead and rename each question to be as clear as possible. For example, you might have, "What's your business goal for 2025?" or "How many team members do you manage?" Aim for around 3 to 10 questions to keep your quiz engaging and not too long. Now let's add answer options for those questions. Click on a question and select Edit Field where you can input your answer choices. Here's a quick example for a question like, "What describes you best?" Your options could be entrepreneur, freelancer, small business owner, or coach. If you're looking to add some deeper functionality to your quiz, consider adding conditional logic. This means your quiz can show different outcomes based on how questions are answered. To do this, head to Settings, then Automations, and click on Create Automation. You can set this up so that when a form is submitted, an email is sent, a redirect happens, or even a message is displayed. For instance, if someone selects entrepreneur, you can route them to an entrepreneur results page. Customizing the design is another fun step. Click on your form and choose Customize Design to adjust elements such as button text and color schemes to match your brand. You can even add a compelling headline like, "Find out your business growth type." If your quiz provides different results, you might want to create a results page for each outcome. This allows you to include personalized content or recommendations for each category. Use Wix automations or redirect rules to automatically guide quiz takers to the appropriate results page. Lastly, consider collecting emails before showing the results. Add a name and email field to the end of your quiz. In form settings, toggle on Collect Submissions and set up automations to add participants to your contact list and send follow-up emails. With everything set, go ahead and preview your quiz. Test it out to make sure the flow, logic, and any redirects or email automations work smoothly. Once you're satisfied, hit Publish, and your quiz is live for the world to see.